Vlog tayo.
Hello guys, Jason nga pala. And kakalipat ko lang dito sa bagong work sa Japan. And sa totoo lang nakaka-boring din. And I've decided to do some vlog just to share my experiences and life here in Japan. This is going to be my first video in this channel. And to be honest, I don't have any ideas yet on what kind of vlog I will be making, but for now nabaltaan ko may malapit daw na beach dito, so puntahan natin. Sobrang init and I don't think na it's a good idea para pumunta ng beach. Masusunog tayo ngayon yan. Mag-grocery na lang tayo. Oh, hayo. Today is 5 o'clock. Kahapon nalate ako ng gising, pero ngayon I think matutuloy na yung pagpunta ko sa beach. Masyadong maaga pa, no? So, ang gagawin ko is pupunta muna ako ng gym, then pagbalik, diretso tayo sa beach. Tapos kong mag-gym and medyo nakakapagod, tsaka medyo naantok-antok pa ako eh. Pero one thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa gym na to is pagkatapos mo mag-gym, syempre pagod ka. So ang diretso mo niyan is, honestly, I've been thinking about starting a vlog for a while now, but I just didn't know how to start. You see, I'm not a filmmaker. I don't know what shots to take, what story to tell, and honestly, I've been pretty scared of how people might see it. But you know what? Well, it doesn't matter anymore, I guess. If you really want to do something, well, you've got to start somewhere, right? Ay, finally, nakarating din tayo sa beach. Ay, each passing year of my life, I started to enjoy little things such as just sitting, staring at something, thinking. Well, ito na yata yung sinasabi nilang science of aging. For almost 9 years of my life here in Japan, there's so much story to tell. But for now, I'll just take some random shots and make this one video. Yun, ang init. Anyway, that's it. I just went to the beach and nothing special. Punta lang sa beach and nag-take ng random shots and yun lang. I think that's it for this first video in this channel. So next week I'll try to upload every week, so para nandun yung consistency. And mag-isip pa ako ng ibang mga bagay na pwedeng i-share sa inyo dito sa lugar ko. By the way, nandito nga pala ako sa Ozumi. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Sa susunod ulit.